Good morning, guys. What up? What up? What up? What up? We are going to start in 8 minutes. All right, 8 minutes. Let's like up the stream, get questions in, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Good morning, guys. What up? What up? What up? We're gonna start in 5 minutes. All right, 5 minutes. Get the questions in. I'll see you guys in a bit. Good morning to those who have just joined. What up, what up, what up? I will see you guys very soon. 3 minutes, 3 minutes. Good morning, guys. We will start in 1 minute. I'll be with you in 1 minute. All right, what up, guys? Hello. Okay, cool, we are sorted. Happy Monday, let's go. Yes, new week, new month, new start. Everyone can start from zero. Easy. Anyone in this GRR? If you are very, very rich. I'm just gonna go through some charts here. All right, cool. All right. Yeah, true. Afternoon. Good morning, traders. Morning. Let's have fun day. Yes, good morning. RX. Guys, let's get some questions and tickets in. Let's go. RX is still bearish. That means it's still in a downtrend like this. Close to breaking out, but yeah, you have your next key levels are just these here. 895, and then let me just remove this, remove that. 1060. 12. So these are your key levels on RX key levels. Very, very nice market open. I mean, well, pre-market open, because we've seen that pretty much all plays are up. It's very nice. Large caps are up, quantum's up, which is a good thing. Bitcoin's obviously up. So yeah, we will see how the market does today. Hollow, it's back. I don't know if it's back, but it's up 20%. Respect to this $1 very well. It was in a falling wedge like this. Here you go. And it broke out very nicely off this $1 like that. Yeah, doesn't mean go and buy the stock. I hope people are not bag holding this and still not in it from like $15 or wherever it ran to. Because you should not be holding something like this. The stock is trash, the company's trash. It just tries to get in every sector and drops PRs whenever it wants. To be fair, they don't drop offerings. I haven't seen one in a long time in this, or if they have ever, to be honest. Not ever, but the most recent times. These are your key levels right now. I would not buy the stock now because it is up quite a bit. Personally, what I would do is, if I'm looking for any kind of entry for a day trade right now, I would look for a downtrend break. You can use the 1 minute here, you can use the trend like this, or I would just say if it closes above VWAP, that's when I would look for an entry. Never trade a stock that is below VWAP. There is a higher probability it will go down. What up, Ferguson? Good morning, Roman. What up? Audiobook was pretty good. Yeah, not bad, huh? Very, very good. Very, very good. BTOG won't be trading this at all today. I don't care about it, to be honest. They have an offering on file, so they're probably going to drop one. This thing ran up crazy. This was a 1 minute. Look at this 1 minute candle. Last time I saw this was a very, very long time ago. Look at this. This is in 1 minute. Look how long. Look how high this candle went up. In 1 minute. Here we go. Check this out. So this 1 minute candle alone from here to here was 230%. So if you got in that stock right at that time, you would have made 230% in one buy. But yeah, I won't be touching this. I'm not interested in this. The same rules apply. If you are trading this, just trade the resistance break. That's what I would do on this. But yeah, extremely high risk. Not really my kind of style of trade, to be honest with you. But if you're in, you're in. Hollow, yeah, Hollow, I whenever Hollow's here. Hollow, just wait for VWAP. Use VWAP. Put it on. That is it here. Close above VWAP, then you can look for an entry. I will probably be trading it if it gets above 150, 160 hollow. Anything below, not really interested. Yes, thumbs it up. Let's go. Like up the stream. Lucid. Lots of plays will recover this week, so I'm expecting Quantum to do a lot of pushing this week because, well, that's if we have a strong open and the market actually holds, but I expect them to reverse because SOUN's looking good as well. Lucid right now is very bearish, strong downtrend. You can use this trend if you want to. Yeah, it's just in a downtrend right now. Here we go. So Lucid still bearish. It needs to break the downtrend. SMCI falling wedge still just about. Oh no, this. The also on the falling wedge demand zone. Yeah, it looks alright. I mean, all plays, like I said, will be reversing. Majority of plays will probably be in a falling wedge. A lot of them will be in a downtrend, and then they'll have a demand zone, and they'll have a falling wedge set up. So, yeah. It should push up, and that's good for the market because then we should see the rest of the small caps follow along as well. Obviously, with this Bitcoin news, I think it will push the market in general. Not only just to crypto, but just to the market itself. PTPI, nothing unless 0.162. PMAX. What's happening with PMAX? PMAX, nothing on PMAX. Yeah, nothing on PMAX right now. It's just heading to this demand zone on PMAX. Personally, I'm not really a fan of it. I wouldn't be trading some that's down 18% right now. I would just focus on something that is actually in an uptrend, that is bullish and has volume. Heading to demand zone. Yeah, it's just heading to demand zone. So right now, just leave it alone. Just don't bother with it now. You're going to be wasting your time. TRNR, this is my only trade I took and I lost on it, unfortunately. Yeah, it just needs to hold $3 into open. Probably give me an entry at open, to be honest. So we'll just wait for this one. So TRNR needs to break above downtrend. If it breaks above downtrend here or here, wherever it is, then I'll look for entries. Maybe if it holds $3 as well, I'll watch if I can get entry there. If it was a glitch. No, I mean, I don't know if it was a glitch, to be honest with you. I'm not too sure. BBAI is bullish. Like I said, falling wedge. If you go to RGTI, it's exactly the same chart. Look, falling wedge, same thing, pushing to the upside. SOUN, same sector as well, pushing to the upside, looks good. So yeah, good things are ahead for these plays. I personally wouldn't buy now. Wait for a close above this. Wait for a close above this. Sava has 0 volume. Oh my gosh. Look at Sava's daily chart. This is unbelievable. I haven't seen a daily gap like this in a very long time. Surely this, what was this? Or what is this? Whatever that is, that's insane. Daily gap. Wow. Above whatever this is, $5 maybe. Not save, Sava. Yeah, Sava has a crazy gap fill. We will keep this on watch and we'll check it out. Now, BBAI, CTM. CTM, what's happening with CTM? Is a backup on the CTM running again? Nice, CTM is pushing. It looks very, very good. Yeah, it looks good. These are your levels here. I like this one. This is a shipper company, I think. Castellum. Let me have a look. Did they just drop news now or had news earlier? Not the results. Oh. Looks good. Actually looks pretty good. KULR. KULR still bearish, downtrend. It will become bullish when it breaks above the trend. This is based on a larger time frame, which is the 4-hour time frame. KO needs 71.60. Coca-Cola needs $71.60. Definitely would not be trading inside this range. Extremely high risk. Onvo. For those who have just joined, please make sure to like it up. Like up the stream, put a question in, put a ticker in, some sort of something. ONVO, very bearish. I wouldn't touch this thing at all. Yeah, it's coming down pretty quickly. Just leave this for now. You don't want to be trading something that is in a downtrend like this. Yeah, 170.58. Yeah, very, very bearish at the moment. Very, very bearish. Got stopped out of BTOC a couple minutes before explosion. I'm not trading today. Yeah, very smart, Adam. Very, very smart. I would do the same if I was you. Because, yeah, your emotional status is obviously not the best right now because of that. And yeah, that stock is... no one in the Discord will be... I will tell all of them not to trade it, as they know I've already said it. But I will reiterate it when the market does open. What is this? BA. Boeing. Boeing is also trying to push up, but it is not pushed up yet. You have just all the trend like this. The trend is still bearish, unfortunately. You need a candle to close above the downtrend. Once that happens, then I would look for entries. But you'll notice all of the charts look pretty much the same in terms of large caps, because all large caps, a whole market got rocked last week. They all came down. Now there's signs to reverse. So yeah, it's just the cycle of the market. People thought it was the end of the stock market last week, which is, I don't know, just stupid statement, but whatever. Yeah, CLRO, no entries unless 0.715 break. Above 0.175 or 0.715, then you can look for an entry. GRR looks great. It's a bullish chart. Very bullish. If it does come back, it will probably pull back to this previous area of resistance, which is now support. We can put $32. Yeah, we can put like this $32 psych level here. So I'll put this in blue. If it pulls back, maybe it'll pull back to $32. That'll be good buys. And then continuation for the next leg to the upside. LC. Fubo. Yeah, Fubo got absolutely rocked. 13% on Friday. That is no good. What happened? Oh, they had got their offer, their earnings. Yeah, Fubo, I would not touch this at all. I mean, yeah, it's at $3, but for me, it's too bearish. It's broken below a support level here. Maybe if it gets above 350, then you can look for some entries. But right now, you definitely do not want to be buying it now. Right, so Fubo, you need to wait for 3. Fubo, wait for 350, break to enter. Yeah, above 350, maybe entries, but anything below now, it's just too bearish. MLGO. Yeah, MLGO is bearish. The easiest way to trade MLGO, and it's probably the easiest setup you can watch today, is just wait for 541 break above. Doesn't break above 541, then I just would not touch it at all. The only entries are above 541. Entries only above 541. Anything below, who cares? Sava, that's what's a fading drug is. Oh yeah. You're right. INTC is just reversing. INTC. I gave this as a swing down here in the last month or so. Yeah, it was actually a very good setup here. I kind of missed this one. So we have this. We had a nice falling wedge here, which was great. Right now, your next key levels on this are here at 27.88. And then here at 26.60. But yeah, bullish. In order to take an entry in this, I would wait for a break above 25.50. 25.50, then I would look for an entry. But overall chart is bullish. It's broken out. Should get momentum to the upside. SOPA. What's happening with SOPA? SOPA is down 2%. SOPA low volume. Yeah, nothing on SOPA. I'm not even going to bother charting this. Yeah, just nothing on this, unfortunately. I would just leave this one alone. ALLR, I can tell you now, it needs to get above $1. Nothing below. It is below $1, so nothing. Very bearish chart. Overall time frame, it is coming down. Or overall chart is coming down. Low volume right now. Yeah, nothing. Good morning. Thoughts on Orgo? Orgo. 3%. Larger time frame is bullish. Obviously pulling back now. I mean, you're very close to the high, so I would just wait for this high. 675. I would look for an entry, but nothing now. You're just, for me, anything below now is just going to probably keep coming down. Just wait for it to break above. ENLV, I saw this running up. It's back down 9%. Yeah, ELV, nothing. Just leave that. Leave ENLV. Nothing on that. Edit. Edit down 2%. Edit, wait for this 240. Above 240, you can look for an entry. Anything below, just leave it. All right. So edit. Edit is wait for 240 break to enter. All right. So you don't want to take an entry. Anything below $2.40. FTFT, Future FinTech G. FTFT, what's happening here? 66%. Clean this chart up a bit. So we have a high here. This is the high body, 3855. I would just wait for a candle body to close above this on the 5-minute time frame. Or you can use the 1 minute, the daily, weekly, 2-second time frame. It's up to you. So FTFT, wait for 0.3855 break. Above 3855 looks good. Right now it's a little difficult. It is bullish based on larger time frames, so it looks good. I like it. I will keep it on. I haven't watched this here if it has. ATCH. ATCH is, yeah, nothing on ATCH. Maybe above 455. Above 455, you could try and take a risky entry, but right now this chart isn't looking great. What is this? ATCH. Wait for 455 break. Yeah, 455 break, then maybe, yeah. Lucid. I already went over Lucid. Abood. Already went over this, my friend. It is bearish. No good. Bad. Down. TRNR. No problem. TRNR just needs to hold $3 into open and it should be good. If it breaks below, then probably will continue to go down. I think Acon is looking like the best setup. Broken out of this falling wedge as we expected. I think a couple of people in the Discord are in this from the chart. So if you are, well done. If you're not, it's okay. Yeah, this is probably my top watch today. I will be watching this play today to trade. So I will wait for my entries. It might take 1 hour for my entry, 2 hours, 30 minutes, whatever. It just depends. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. This is your huge resistance. Then you have 755. Then you have 775. Then you have 835. So these are your key levels above 724 on Acon, which I will be watching today for sure. For sure. Tiger, do you think we can still make money in this market? Of course you can. There you can make $1 billion in this market. It's very easy when you develop a strategy. So that means a different way of trading that most people are used to, which is buy something because someone said on Twitter because of this news and that. In my opinion, that is not the way to trade stocks if you want to become a day trader. If you want to become a day trader, you need to understand technicals. You have to understand how to trade based on technical analysis. That can be candlesticks, how to read candlesticks, how to read price action, how to understand what a strong bottom wick on a candle is, understand chart patterns, what is a bearish pattern, what is a bullish pattern, or what's VWAP. All these things you can use, and then from there you can develop a strategy. That is the best way to trade as a day trader. And of course you can make money in this market. In my opinion, last week was difficult. The only reason why it was difficult is because of patience, right? People struggled last week, especially Discord members. They struggled a lot, okay? Because they weren't following what we're teaching. We don't give a lot of alerts a day. We don't give 20, 30 alerts a day, which people expect when they join our Discord, right? We're not robots. We trade, we're real people. We give you what we teach, right? That means I tell you how I trade, and my strategy is in the Discord, right? It's there for you to watch and learn, so you can do exactly what I do and how I trade, exactly the same. Exactly the same. There's no other hidden secret or other indicator or anything that I've hidden for you to not know what I'm doing or why I'm trading, because you can see it every day. I talk about it every single day in the live trading. So that is a very, very simple way of how I trade. Okay, so my strategy is very simple. It's very easy to follow. But the issue is with people and new traders especially, or people who join other Discords and whatever, want quick money and flip. I just tell people the truth when they join the Discord. They want to make quick money, You're not going to be here for a long time. You might as well go and put your money elsewhere, right? This is a strategy, or trading in general. You're here to understand how to develop a strategy, and become financially free based on that. It's not going to take a day. It's not going to take 2 weeks. It's not going to take a month. It's not going to take a year. It depends. I cannot give people time frames, but the ultimate thing is, and what I was going back to now, is patience, right? And discipline. Most people struggled last week because they had no discipline. The market was shit. The market was slow. There was no volume. Everything was tanking. And they knew that everything, all the stocks that we were trying to trade, was not giving any setups, but they were still trying to take the trade. They were forcing the trend, and they knew that even though they took the trade, and even before they took the trade, they knew they were going to lose, but they wanted to take it because they were bored, the market was slow, all of these things. That is the only thing that separates myself, right, as a profitable trader, to someone who's just joined or doesn't understand. That's it. That's the only difference. Okay, because I can tell you exactly what you need to do. Discord members know exactly what they need to do to trade, exactly what they need to do. But 99% of them will not do exactly what I say because they think that something's going to happen. They think it's going to go up. They go buy now because they think it's going to reverse. It's not the way. It's not going to work, unfortunately, right? For me, yes, I miss the run-ups. I miss the crazy moves. Do I care? No, because I'm only trading my strategy. Asti trades completely different to me. He gets some crazy runners, I get some crazy runners, right? There's millions of ways to trade, but the thing is, you need to be disciplined, and the only way you get disciplined is understanding how to actually properly trade. Not by saying, Tiger put this on Twitter, he said buy, right? That's why I never, ever, ever on my post on Twitter say buy, this. I tell you exactly what you need. I said, wait for this break above, wait for close, this. So you can understand technicals and learn properly how to trade, all right? So it's not buy this, the stock's going to $20. I never put PTs, right? If you're in the Discord, it's completely different. You'll be very surprised how it is to Twitter, right? Twitter, I'm posting 500 charts a day. I'm in maybe one of them, right? That's it. So it's a very, very different way of trading. So I hope that I went a little in depth there, but I hope you guys understood what I was talking about there. Anyway, AMPX. AMPX, nothing on this, still bearish, still in the downtrend. I would wait for the downtrend break to enter. So there's an example, right? I'm not saying buy now. I'm not saying the stock's going to $5. I'm not saying enter now because it's going to I don't know. I can tell you though, as a probability of the trade setup, that if you buy now, there's a probability it'll go down. Why? Because the trend is bearish. I can tell you that if a candle closes above the bearish trend, there is now going to be a bullish trend. What is a bullish trend? It means that's going an upside. Upside means that buyers are in control. Buyers are in control means the stock should push to the upside. Therefore, if you enter the trade, there's a high probability of you making money. Simple. That's it, right? But this is the difference. People are going to try buy now, right? Because they think it's going to break up and run. For me, I will wait till it breaks that, then I will enter my trade. That's the huge difference between myself and other traders, right? I have to wait for confirmation. Yes, maybe you're right if you enter here, but how many times, you know, is it going to work? You don't, you know? B-hat still in a falling wedge, still in a bullish chart pattern. It should break out, but who knows with this thing? I do not touch it. I don't trade it, but yeah, based on technicals, it is bullish. So that is what you have for B-hat. TVGN. Oh, sorry, Aboud, I'll have a look now, sorry. My bad. TVGN, nothing on this, very, very low volume. I would just avoid something like this. Yeah, it's difficult. Maybe there's a double bottom forming here. Bullish chart pattern, the reversal pattern to go up. LUCD. LUCD, this is very low volume. Yeah, this isn't my kind of setup, to be honest. I have to go to this very large time frame to understand what's going on with this. Very difficult to trade something like this. If I had to take a trade on this, it would be above 163, right? So look, this is my thinking and this is what it is, all right? I can tell you now, I don't understand what's going to happen with the stock, but I can tell you that if this breaks above this high right here, there is a higher probability to go up. Why is that? It's because buyers are in control. It means that there is a strong volume and that there is a higher probability that the stock will go up. I am not going to buy here because I don't know what will happen. Okay, if you want to buy here and you think it will go up, then you should not be trading and you should take your money out and you should go give it to someone on the streets or something, because wasting your time. Trust me. Wait for confirmation. You might miss your 5-6%, but who cares? You're waiting for confirmation. It is what it is. That's how you trade. Have to wait. SLXN, very low volume. Overall trend is bearish. I would wait for $1.63. Wait for 163. Break 2%. 163 break. Yeah. Right now, there's not much going on. I don't really know what's going on here. Because look, you have a resistance here, and then you have a resistance here, and then you have a resistance here. You have too many resistances in the way for me to take the trade. So you have one here, here, here. Too much resistance. For me, I know if we close above 163, we have clean range all the way up to at least 228. For me, I know that if I close above here, I'll be very, very good with my emotions. I'll be very confident. I'll be like, ah, okay, great. It's going to go up. If I enter here, or if I enter here, I'm like, oh, is it going to break this? Is it going to break this? Is it going to break this? Is it going to break that? You know, you don't know. Well, for me, I don't. Fortunately, most sites do not teach you how to chart. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. There's a lot of, so much BS out there, to be honest. A lot of shit. A lot of trash things going on, but it is what it is. I mean, there's different ways to teach. Some people like the alerts, and I don't know. There are thousands of ways to trade. B-hat is here, bullish pennant. I mean, falling wedge to go up. It's what makes. You are correct, Mr. Paul. MKTW. MKTW. I don't see anything on this. I would wait for the break of this high here. Is this a prop candle? 850. Yeah, you could wait for 8485. 0.8485. Yeah, you can wait for this break here if you want to. People greedy extra want to. Yeah, I know. That's the thing. I mean, you see, that's the difference. Like, people who like try and enter before and those things and guess, it's because they don't have an actual strategy and have proven results that shows them that they can actually win doing something that works for them, right? They're just entering for 100 reasons. That's why I say it, and I'm tired of it in the Discord because I don't do it anymore, is the journal part. If people don't journal, in my opinion, when you start out trading, you're pretty much wasting your time, right? Because if you're going to take trades based on just alerts from our Discord or just in general, right? It's an extremely inconsistent way to make money, in my opinion. Right? It's very inconsistent. Yeah, FTFT was a perfect entry here. 5 minute close above. Took the entry. Candlestick strategy here. Discord members. Very nice. Very nice. But yeah, the whole alert system, it's great. It's fun because a lot of lazy people that want that. And I have no issue doing it. But my issue is that when people get upset that, oh, the alerts are too fast and these kind of things, or just in general, right? You're never going to catch every single alert, and they'll only get the losers, or they'll only get the winners, and that kind of stuff. It's too inconsistent. But the difference, what we do in the Discord, is teach you why we got into the trade. So I tell you why I took the trade. So our alert is the reasonings, right? And that is why I take my trade. I don't just take it because I saw someone post on Twitter, because it had a green candle and it's going up. None of that stuff, right? So it is a lot different to a lot of different things that you guys, I'm sure, are used to. Yeah, it's very good. How good is it? Very good. Yeah, trading in the zone is the best. Everyone needs to read Trading in the Zone. Put the audiobook on, get it in. Audiobook, get it in. It costs you $0 to watch it and listen to it. That will teach you a lot, trust me. It'll make a lot of sense, especially Discord members. You'll know I sound like the person talking. The Mark Douglas. FTFT. Ooh. Yeah, well done on FTFT. I don't know if anyone took it, but I did not take it. I don't trade when I'm doing this. I've only taken one trade this morning. NIXX is moving up a bit. Yeah, we'll just keep it. I have it on my... Where is it? NIXX is here. Is it over $1? Yes, so we'll keep it here. Not really interested on this yet. I don't know why it's running. I don't see any news. But these are your key levels for NIXX. So you see how something's like 192, right? For me, the way I do it is I like to trade based on psychological levels. So $2, $2.50, $3, $3.50, $4, $4.50, $5, so on. I would wait for it to close above $2. Then I know that if it closes above $2, high probability this will go up. Yeah, $2 break, entries. That looks good. $2 break, watch it. Watch $2 break. But yeah, trading in the zone is very good. You literally can go onto YouTube right now. Go onto YouTube, type in trading in the zone. Audiobook right here. 6 hours and 50 minutes. You can listen to it. Here we go. Since I'm such a nice guy, I will post it in the chat so you can all go and watch it later. That is everyone's homework to do. Alright, Acon, what's happening? Acon 724. BBAI, gonna watch us today. Hollow. We shall see. Not really interested in it. FTFT is looking great. Candlestick strategy on this, Discord members, use it as your will. CLRO, not interested, just going to remove off my watch list. Any other plays that I don't have on my watch list, let me know. All right. I am going to head into the Discord, guys. If you have any questions, for those who just joined, please make sure to read your Discord DM, okay? Watch the intro video, extremely important to do so. I will see you all in the Discord. Give me 15 minutes, I'll send out the live trading link and I'll see you guys there. But guys, I'll share charts where I can, but focus mainly on the Discord for the first hour and a half or so. All right. Have a great day, guys, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace.